I'll guide you through the complete Apple Pay identity verification process to stop getting that annoying verification required error. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before we get into the identity verification, let's talk about card verification, which can be likened to new card activation. Get your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Then select Debit or Credit Card. Then Continue. Follow the bank-specific on-screen prompt to begin the final authorization. You'll need to check your text or email for a 6-digit code to verify the bank's contact information. Enter the code to finalize your new card setup. Here are the steps for a full Apple Cash or Apple Card identity verification. On the iPhone, open Settings and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the Apple Cash card or Apple Card. Scroll down and tap Verify Identity. Then tap Continue on the welcome screen. Input your full legal name, home address, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. When done, submit your application. If verification fails, the first step is to fix the address mismatch. Go back to Settings, tap your Apple ID name at the top, then tap Payment and Shipping. Update your address immediately to match the one you just submitted. Go back to the iPhone, open Settings, and tap Wallet and Apple Pay where you were originally filling out your SSN and date of birth. If the automatic check still fails, prepare to scan your driver's license or state ID to manually provide proof of identity for the secondary check. Then take a clear picture of the front and back of your ID. While at it, ensure the document is current, well-lit, and all corners are visible. Essentially, confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled on your Apple ID. This is required to access many secure Apple features. Click to watch this video to learn how to do that. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Apple Pay video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.